Okay, so today's adventure, we're at Palouse Falls here. I don't know what town we're in, but we're here accompanied by my two mates. We've got Wyatt and we've got over here Anthony Merritt, and we're gonna be dumbasses today. Now we're over here at the top area, that's where we started over there. And I'm out of breath. Fuck me. And there's more of the waterfall. We found more of the waterfall. And a river. Oh wait, there's a puddle. Well, fucker. So beautiful. Well, here we are at the river entrance. Kind of freaky. You go over this edge. It's like an instant fall right there. You're so awesome. So yeah, we don't want to die. And it just goes forever.
Fuck no. What up? I'm not wearing the shoes for that.
What are you talking about?
Nothing.
Nothing at all.
Wearing the shoes either.
Jump down, Anthony. It's not that far of a drop.
Drop your phone. Hey, this is supposedly a indestructible phone.
I'll just throw my camera.
Alright, are we going down here?
So this is some crazy shit right here. I'm right here next to a Verizon tower. And guess the fuck what? I don't have any service still. Fuck Verizon. We made it to lower ground.
What?
We made it to lower ground. We were once up there, now we're down here. And we be chillin'. As you can see here, there's this water flowing. It's really nasty and dirty. It's kind of loud. I don't know if you can tell in the mic, but I'm kind of having to yell. And there's Anton! Look how sexy that beast is. Oh my god.
We're standing in that rock right there.
I'm afraid the ogres might come after us. I'm just kidding. I'm really bored right now. I'm not bored. I'm just
really bored right now?
No, I didn't mean to say bored. Fuck. I'm really. What's the word I'm looking for? Like, there's no sound, no noise, no one's talking. So I feel like that I should film so someone can talk. God, I'm just rambling. We made it to the top. Exhausted. The old shrines of Mount Wanahuki. There's Anton right there. Oh. Well, we finally made it to the top. Right here by the waterfall. Kind of like a cliff, you know. But yeah, we made it. How do you go down? Way down. Fucking crazy. And now we're just goofing off. Okay, that's kind of scary. Anthony's up there trying to be King Kong, but he's not. That's what Wyatt's gonna do today. He's looking for the old carvings of Miko. That ass though. Shaking it for me, Wyatt. Shake that ass for me. Shake that ass for me. Come on, boy.
Alright, man. Oh, hell no.
What?
I'm not trying to get stung right now.
Same.
Why is everything fun like fuck?
The other side of the waterfall. You have to go down. Fuck my life, man. I don't know what accent that was.
Fuck my life, man.
Here we go. Fuck. Here we go.
There. I'm not trying to.
It seems I found a creek of some sort. Fuck. It's pretty wet. Damn, Daddy, look at that ass. Woo!
God. Hey, check this out. Okay.
Bag it.
Yep, that's me.
As you can see here, we're on our way back. There's a train up there in the distance, you can see it. And I'm fucking tired. I want water, I want sleep, I want fuck. I mean, was that out loud? Oh well, let's have to wait till I get home then. But yeah.
Let's go, bitch.
Watch your language, fucker.
Hey! Get your stick off my ass.
Oh, that's hot. What did you put on his ass? Stay the fuck away, nigga. Fucking ow! Fucker.
This is war.
Shit. Finally got done with the motherfucking journey. I'm back at the fucking car. Fucking eating bread. And I'm saying fucking a lot. Fucking get me, Anthony?
I'm so nervous.
I'm 10.
So fucking ass. Oh, fucking shit.
Well, we finally made it back alive in one piece. And I'm gonna sign out. And see you later. This is #fam.